In this video I will show you how to install LDSperimetral system in your computer. Really fast, really simple, you will see in a moment. The first thing you have to do is go to our web page largedisplaysolutions.com or the web of your dealer. Go to the downloads section, and in the download section you will find a software area. Here you will always find two different versions, the latest one and the previous one, and in both versions you will find two different mirrors, right? You can click in download and automatically the file will be downloaded in your computer. If you go to the downloads folder, you will find a zip file, a compressed file that includes the name LDSperimetral and the version number, right? So simply just double click and go inside the zip file, select this folder, copy it and go to your working directory, the one you like best in your computer, or if you have previous versions, there. Just click on paste and the file will be uncompressed in this folder. You will find a folder that's called LDSperimetral with the version number, right? In this folder you can have different versions of the system, so when you upgrade it you don't have to remove the previous one, right? So you always will be safe to go to the previous release if you have any trouble, right? Simple. Simply now go into this folder and execute the application LDSperimetral.executable. The first time you will be requested to allow the system to allow the computer to execute the system. Allow it, and you're there. The first time, for this time, sorry, just click in continue in demo version. We will talk about licenses in a different video, right? But you can continue perfectly well in demonstration version, right? And here you have the system up and running. Easy, fast, and very, very simple. See you in the next video.